Wanna know how to create a Google Chat account? But no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under the minutes, so let's get straight to it. First things first, you need to just simply head towards your favorite web browser. So in this video I'm just going to use Brave, and then on the URL just simply type in this chat.google.com. Now once you have typed in that, you should be under the Google Workspace, and now you can just simply sign in right here on the top right side or right here as well. And now once you have clicked sign in, you can just simply choose any account, but since we are creating an account, just simply select use another account. So you need to basically make a new Google account. Just simply select paid account right here, and then select for personal use, and then type in your first name, last name, select continue, and then you can just simply type in your birth date, anything that you like. You can just simply type or create your email that you want, and now once everything is done, you should be good to go. Then you can just simply sign in, and you should be able to create an account to use Google Chat. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.